known as a zoobic. As the bear, because the intended box with our 2 feet. Now for Mark, for you, I will introduce Barry's best friend, and this is Cherry, of course, with her trainer. That's Cherry right there, and they will show you why it is easier to learn in zoobic, and that is to follow the hand target. So whenever the hand target goes up and down, Cherry gets the reward, and the reward is something that you like. Of course, that is good. Okay, now for Mark, it's your turn to do the things procedure. So once again, hand target up and down. Okay. Hand target up again and down. Very good. Thank you very much, sir, for helping us out. And once again, I'll be giving you this card from the